Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Mexican hot sauce Valentina. I just want to show you guys what the bottle looks like, but I just want to read this little part. It just says salsa picante, which means like really like hot salsa. The bottle up top is like this like red, this kind of like red pull up top, pull it up, pull it down. This part down here is just like the glass part. I love how it's like clear because you can see how much you have left. This is just the 30 fluid ounces bottle. And yeah, this is Valentina, my favorite condiment next to hot sauce. And this is a hot sauce, guys, but like I love original hot sauce. But getting started on the world famous Valentina that I got introduced to just about a year ago. Quick backstory, because I always feel like backstories help you get a better perspective of how the person feels about something. Growing up, I was never allowed to eat anything hot. My parents basically almost banned hot sauce. There was like one bottle in my house, but not really. We weren't really allowed to touch it. And I remember like trying to go out and like purchase hot sauce on my own, and it just did not really work out well. But yeah, so getting into college, like I typically stuck to like Louisiana hot sauce and stuff like that. But it wasn't until I ended up joining my sorority, and I have a lot of Hispanic sorority sisters, and so these are just my own personal opinions, but like when you become friends with people of different cultures, you tend to get immersed in their cultures, and you tend to learn so many beautiful things that you never knew. And so one of those beautiful things that I love, and I'm pretty sure everybody else loves, is food. And so before about a year ago, I had never even known what Valentina was, let alone had ate it before. It was just like one of those things where it was like, they were like, Karim, you have to try this. And I was like, oh my goodness, like I never even heard of Valentina. But honestly guys, it's so good. I'm gonna tell you guys what I like to eat it with, but I just want to explain what it kind of tastes like. It tastes honestly so good to me. It really it honestly tastes like a hot sauce, but it's like more thicker than a hot sauce. And I just want to show you guys the consistency in the bottle. It's like a thick consistency, very thick, very it's kind of one of those like hot sauces where it's very like you're tasting that and you're like, oh, it's Valentina. But yeah, like I said, I got merged into a lot of my sorority sisters' culture, and we ended up going to this Hispanic carnival. And like, I don't know the Hispanic way to say it, but I just want to describe it. It's like wheels. It's like almost like, it's like chicharrones. That's how they say it. Like, I don't have the good accent, but it's like chicharrones, and they put Valentina and lime on them. And so they asked me like, oh my goodness, like you want some chicharrones? And I was like, I don't know what it is, but I'm open to try anything because I love food. Who doesn't love food? And guys, it was so good with the Valentina on it. It just made it even more better. And so a couple weeks later, we ended up going shopping, and I saw it in one of the aisles, and I put it in the cart, and all of my sorority sisters started laughing at me. They were like, oh, so you're gonna get Valentina now? And I was like, it tastes so good. So as time went on, I figured out like different ways you can use this with. So I just want to tell you guys a couple of my favorite ways to use one of my favorite like hot sauces with. And Valentina honestly is so good. Like I even have a keychain with a little bottle of Valentina on it. That's how much I really do love this. But I use this on lime chips. I'll squeeze a lime and I'll put like a little bit of Valentina, sprinkle a little bit of Valentina on there. The lime Lay's chips, love Valentina on there. Funyuns with Valentina, so good, guys. I definitely suggest that. I love putting this with flautas, so good. If I don't have like an actual hot sauce or like a pico de gallo sauce, this is definitely like a good runner-up for me, just because it's hot and like it just tastes so good. I love putting this on my tacos. I just love this on like any types of chips. And this might sound good but or bad, like nasty, guys, but don't knock it until you try it. I love like freshly cutting up like watermelon, and I'll squeeze a little lime and tahini on it, and guys, just a sprinkle of Valentina. I don't know why, but I think it tastes so good. But yes, those are all the like wonderful things that I love using this sauce with. I honestly think this is such a good hot sauce. My all-time favorite, like I said before, would be Louisiana, but I can definitely like express my love for Valentina too. I love it so much, and it's just like such a good, up here it says Mexican hot sauce, such a good Mexican hot sauce. You can find this for very cheap, especially for the amount you get, and I just think honestly it's worthwhile. It doesn't expire early. I've had this bottle for about, I want to say 8 months now, and it doesn't even expire until February 2023. Definitely one of my favorite hot sauces, like I keep saying over and over again. But yeah, I definitely suggest you guys to try it. It's not too hot, it pairs well with a lot of things, the consistency is thick and it's good. And yeah, this is just Valentina Mexican hot sauce.